Hi everyone. Hope you all are having a splendid Sunday. So alternate realities or different worlds or parallel universes. So spiritually, a lot of people have delved into this and experienced this. Scientifically, it's not proven fully. So if you are in one reality you're a musician. In alternate realities, you may be an astronaut, a sportsman, a businessman, or just a teacher. And all these realities are connected because there was one example. Somebody was a very great musician in one reality, and he downloaded the talents from that reality to his present reality, and he could play music, the piano, very well. So there's interdimensional travel. So I don't know any ways, particular techniques how to experience this, but I guess it just happens naturally. So the different versions of you in different realities can connect with each other and talk to each other, and anyone who calls anyone delusional with these alternate realities should think twice, because it's very much disillusionment, crashing back to reality. It's a reality, these alternate realities. And in one reality, maybe you loved someone and you told her yes, and in one reality maybe she loved you and she told you yes. So all these different permutations and combinations are there, and yeah, I mean, it just makes life more interesting and open, and you have a broader vision of life that time. Because, sometimes when your dreams don't come true in this reality, then you can think in other realities it's come true and get some peace and solace. So I know you all people won't experience it in this reality, the other realities, because only some people have access to it. But, there's a certain amount of happiness which can come that in this reality what you couldn't experience, or with your dreams which didn't come true, it's true in other realities. So with this I'll sign off until I see you all later. Adios.